Hey, Uncle Mud here. I have a few fun facts to share with you about cob. Not corn on the cob or cob horses. Those are two things that come up on the Google when you search it. But cob building. Cob is an Old English word for lump. This is a lump of sandy clay and straw that you can squish into another lump to make a bigger lump and a bigger lump until you've built a lump big enough to cook pizzas in, or warm your butt as a rocket heater, or even live in, like this fun little cob cottage that we built here at my place. So if you want to join us Wednesday, July 8th at 3 p.m. Central Time, Mother Earth News is hosting us in a live webinar to get muddy with you and show you how to make your own cob and to make cool things out of it, how to find your own soil and test it, how to mix it with your hands and feet, and even with machinery, what machinery works well with that, what fun things you can do with it, like this bottle work. I'll show you inside here. We'll also talk about foundations, how to use stones and busted concrete to make your own foundations, how to make fireplaces. The bottle work here is a lot of fun. There's a little bit of mud and different color bottles. How to make a warm wall like this one that has straw bales inside of it, or how to make a fun wall like this one that's all sculpty. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. So we have a link for you here that gets you to Mother Earth News' webpage, where you can register for the webinar, or you can buy a copy of Becky B's great book, the Cob Builder's Handbook, and get a free ticket to our webinar. And if you want to contact us at info@unclemud.com. If you have questions you want answered during that webinar, things that you want us to talk about, we'll be live, so you'll be able to share the questions then. But if you talk to us earlier, we'll be better prepared for your question. And we look forward to playing in the mud with you. unclemud.com